A family member of a Salem Health patient is reacting tonight after a nurse there was put on administrative leave for posting a controversial video to TikTok. That video downplayed the seriousness of COVID-19 precautions. Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with a woman whose grandmother was recently at the hospital. Drew?
Yeah, that's right. Kara has an 83-year-old grandmother who just finished up cancer treatment at Salem Health. She says she's shocked that any nurse would post something that makes light of a global pandemic.
At first, when I saw it, it was more of a like, wow, I can't believe a nurse would do that. Like, how ridiculous.
Then Kara realized the nurse works at Salem Health, where her 83-year-old grandmother was receiving cancer treatment just last month. Kara says she doesn't know if the nurse worked with her grandmother, but she says the thought alone is scary.
The pandemic was always a concern, like, oh, what if she catches COVID because she is having to go to this hospital like multiple days a week for these treatments. But the thought that it could have come from somebody who was supposed to be taking care of her was just like, wow, okay, thanks.
In the TikTok, the nurse in question is wearing scrubs with a stethoscope around her neck in what looks to be a break room. The caption over the video reads, "When my coworkers find out I still travel, don't wear a mask when I'm out, and let my kids have play dates." Salem Health put out a statement on Facebook Saturday addressing the TikTok, saying the nurse, quote, displayed cavalier disregard for the seriousness of this pandemic. The post went on to say she's on administrative leave and is currently being investigated. Kara is happy to see they're taking action, but wishes they'd do more.
I would actually prefer that she be removed permanently. It's bad enough that we have people just going around day to day, not really taking this seriously and not caring. But to me, it just seems like levels worse when it's someone who should be actually educated on at least, bare minimum virology and immunology.
I did go to that nurse's house last night to ask her for an interview about the TikTok, but she declined to comment. Live in Southeast Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.